In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find the owner ID in Hubspot. If you're working extensively with data within Hubspot, knowing where to find your owner ID can be incredibly useful. This ID is crucial for integrating Hubspot with other tools, running accurate reports, or managing assets across different platforms. We'll walk through each step clearly and ensure you understand exactly what to do. To begin, open up your web browser and navigate to the website www.hubspot.com. Once you're there, click the login button to access your account. Make sure you have your credentials handy if you're prompted to input your username and password. After logging in, shift your attention to the top right corner of the screen where you'll see a gear icon. That's your settings icon. Click on this icon to proceed. Next, in the settings menu, you're going to want to find and select the section labeled Data Management. Once you're in the Data Management area, you'll notice several options. What you want to do here is click on Properties. This section is where all the data fields and attributes are managed. Once you're in the Properties section, you're going to see a search box. In this search box, go ahead and type in Contact Owner. This will pull up specific settings related to the Contact Owner data within your account. When you find the Contact Owner property, hover your mouse over it. You'll see an option to Edit Property appear. Click on this option to reveal more details. Here we're going to adjust our focus slightly to the left panel, where you should select Field Type. Now, as we delve into the details of the field type section, you'll notice that under the property label, there is a description indicating that the internal name corresponds to the Hubspot owner ID. The internal name is an essential part of the configuration since it personally identifies this particular property within HubSpot's framework. Finally, the moment of truth, by looking under the internal name, you'll see a series of numbers displayed. This sequence of numbers is in fact your HubSpot owner ID. Congratulations, you've successfully located your owner ID. Understanding the system and identifying your owner ID in HubSpot can significantly streamline your workflow, providing easy access for integrations or enhancing the precision of your reports. Thanks for joining us in this quick guide. If you found this information helpful, please make sure to like and subscribe for more insightful guides and tips on navigating tools like HubSpot. Enjoy exploring your data with newfound precision and control.